Good day, friends, and welcome to this YouTube channel once again. Today, I'll be taking you on futures trading, the full tutorial, and then we'll be having a practical session still on this video so that you would be able to now set up trades on your own after watching this video. So if you are new to this channel, I'd like you to click on the subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so as not to miss out from educational videos on how to trade the financial market, NFTs, and many other things that enable you stay financially stable. I also like you to click on the like button so as to enable this video reach out to many other persons who might be wanting to know how to go about futures trading. That being done, sound good? Then let's get started. So, what is futures trading? It is important to understand the definition of a future. Futures are nothing but a financial contract which obligates the buyer to purchase an asset or the seller to sell an asset at a predetermined future date and a predetermined future price. That predetermined price is known as the entry price. When you get to the practical session, you are going to understand that very much better. Futures trading is the crude oil of crypto trading. It is a high risk and high reward trading that uses leveraging. To be an expert futures trader would require a lot of reading and understanding of futures trading terms like hedge mode, funding rate, host only, time in force, limit, market, OCO, etc. But as sophisticated as it is, this video would simplify it to the barest minimum for beginners and leave no room for complications. If you already know and understand spot trading on Binance, then this video would be very easy to understand. For this tutorial, we're going to be considering this few topic, and after that, boom, you are good to go. Now, we're going to consider funding the futures wallet. We're going to consider futures quiz. Going forward, we're going to see certain trading conditions, buying stroke longing, selling stroke shorting, transferring funds, and we'll come to the conclusion. Then I'll leave you to go make winnings on futures trading. So, to fund your futures wallet, you need to purchase USDT or BUSD, known as stablecoin, from peer-to-peer on Binance, which is P2P, or you get coin from a third party. A third party sends coin into your futures wallet. That's also another way to fund your futures wallet. The next thing is the futures quiz. Futures quiz. Before you can start trading futures on Binance, you will need to answer a quiz. Someone will be there asking, how do I know the answer to this quiz? What if I fail? No, there is already a ready solution to that. There is a ready solution to that. How is it done? Just click on start quiz and then randomly select your answer. When you randomly select your answer, then within 30 seconds into the time you have randomly selected your answers, click on prompt answers. When you click on prompt answers, you will be able to see the ones you failed and the ones you got. But prompt answer will show you the correct answer. So correct those ones you failed and then click on submit. Then in few minutes, your futures interface will open, now getting you set to be able to trade futures. The next thing is setting trading conditions. Setting trading condition. As in spot trading, futures trading has different and more trading tools. But for the sake of simplification, we will only use two tools captures on spot trading to demonstrate futures trading. One is the market price, while the second one is limit. Both of them have a take profit and stop loss, so there's no need for stop limit and OCO as in spot trading. OCO simply means order cancels order. In case you may be asking yourself, what's the meaning of this OCO? It means order cancels order. But before we do anything, we need to set our margin and also set the leverage. You'll be seeing this on the practical session. Follow me to the end of this video. So the margin. There are two types of margin in futures trading. We have the cross margin and we have the isolated margin. If you use cross margin, this means that when you enter more than one futures trade, if one is close to liquidation, it will use money from the other trade to try and avoid liquidation. While the isolated margin means that your trades are isolated from themselves and liquidation in one will not take up the funds in the others. This is recommended for beginners. Very much recommended for beginners. Going forward, we are going to be looking into buying stroke longing. In futures, you do not need to buy a coin when you click buy. You do not actually buy a coin when you click buy. You actually just bet that the price of the coin will keep going up. If it goes down instead from the price you bought it, which is the entry price, you start losing. While if it keeps going up, you keep gaining. It's almost like spot trading, just that you are not really holding the coin, you are just betting on it to actually rise. The next thing is selling and shorting. Selling stroke shorting. Unlike spot trading, in futures you can sell a coin you do not own. Can sell a coin that is not in your wallet. This process is called shorting. Shorting is simply betting against the coin. In longing, we bet that the coin will go up. In shorting, we bet that it will go down. Apart from the fact that we click sell instead of buy, there is no difference in the technicalities involved in selling stroke shorting. So we'll be using only market to demonstrate shorting when we get to our practical session. Follow to the end of this video. The next one is leveraging. Using a high leverage means more profit in shorter time, but it also means that your estimated liquidation amount will be much closer to your entry price. If you use 100 USDT and 20x leverage to long a coin with $300 as the current price, and someone else uses the same 100 USDT but 50 X leverage for the same coin, the person's liquidation price will be closer to the entry price than yours. Meaning that if your liquidation price is 250, the person who used 50x leverage could be liquidated at $280. So these are the various things we'll be looking into, and I hope you are following. Quickly, let's get into the practical section. Meet me on Binance. Now on Binance, this is a new account, but then I already answered the quiz. I would have shown you how to go on to answer the quiz and the ready solution. So that's been done. We are going to into funding, how to fund your futures wallet to enable you to start trading. Although in this wallet, I already have $10 worth of USDT on spot. It's a new wallet. I already have $10 worth of USDT on spot. So I can transfer to my futures wallet. You can also decide to buy You can also decide to buy USDT from P2P. This is how it's done. You click on more. Click on this more. When you click on more, then let's get into it. Click on more. So when you click on more, look for P2P. Click on P2P. So when you click P2P, insert the amount of USDT you want, but it should be above 20. Insert it there. Insert 20 there, and then when you insert 20, then you click on buy with zero fee. Remember, this is express, so that it comes into your funding wallet, and from your funding wallet you now transfer to your futures wallet. So now we're going to transfer from spot wallet to our futures wallet. This is how it's done. Click on spot up here. Click on spot. This is spot. So click on spot. When you click on spot, this would open. When you click on spot, it will open like this. Then click on this transfer. Click on transfer. When you click on transfer, it opens like this. Now you are actually transferring from spot wallet to funding to futures wallet, and not to your funding wallet. So you need to change this funding to futures. This is how to do it. Click on this arrow here, the little arrow there. Click on it. So let's do that. So when you click on it, it tells you to select a wallet. We are selecting this wallet. We are selecting this. This is the futures wallet. So click on it. Now it tells you spot wallet to USDSM futures. So good. Click here to change this to USDT. So let's change it to USDT. Click on USDT, and then click on maximum. I have just $10 on spot wallet for the purpose of this tutorial though. So confirm the transfer. And once you confirm the transfer, the money now shows on your futures wallet. How do you know it's now in your futures? Click here, futures. So click on futures, and then you see that your $10 is already there. That being done, we go into buying stroke longing, and then selling stroke shorting. It's a very easy process. So when you want to trade futures now, you click on futures. You click on futures. When you click on futures, it opens like this. You can see it opens like this. Then you search for the coin pair you want to be trading on. Okay, let's say I want to trade on BNX. I want to trade on BNX. So I'll click here. And then click there and change it to BNX. You can see. You can also, so it's there now. You can also decide to join our Telegram channel or our WhatsApp class in the description of this video, where you get signals so that you can get trades and actually place them and come out with handsome profit. So the link will be on the description box. Click it and join us there. You'll be very much happy you did. Yeah, so let's say a signal was sent on our group and you want to place it on your futures. This is just how it's done. Let's go to the WhatsApp group. Let's say signal was sent in there. So click on it. Now you can see we have uni USDT short. So we are going to be buying stroke shorting on this. We are going to be buying stroke shorting. And then the leverage, you can see the leverage is 20x. 20x. So you go to your Binance, and first thing to do is to search for the coin pair. I've told you when you want to search for the coin pair, you click on this place. When you click on this place, you search for uni. Search uni. You can see uni USDT. Then you click on it. Now, when you click on it, it opens like this. So remember, the leverage is 20x. So this is where you can set your leverage. At this point is where you can set your leverage. So it's already on 20x. So leave it like that. You can decide to put it in 10x. You can decide to take it to 30x. You can decide to take it to 40x. But remember that the higher your leverage, the closer you are to liquidation. So keep it at 20x, where our coach dropped the leverage for us. So 20x. Don't forget, when you click on 20x, confirm it. Don't forget to change this to isolated margin. Very much important for beginners. So this is where you click to change it to isolated margin. You click on this, and when you click on it, you then click on confirm. You get? So when you click on isolated, click on confirm. Now you can see it's on isolated margin. It's on isolated. It's a limit. It's a limit market. We are not going to enter at the market price. Let me show you the difference between limit and market. Market means that you are entering at the market price. Limit means that you can set your entry point. So let's set our entry point to what the coach gave us. You can see the entry from the WhatsApp group. This is the entry point. So we have 5.368. So go in here. Go in here and click on that, right? 5.368. You see? Now type in the amount of USDT you'll be using from your available balance. So I'll be using, they've already told you here that the minimum is, so I'll be using 20 USDT, which should be around 3 UNI. So insert your take profit level. You can decide to take profit level 2 for 60% profit, as you can see here. You can decide to take profit level 2. You can decide to take profit level 1. But me, I usually take level profit 2. Level profit 2. So come in here. The take profit level profit 2 is 5.2069. So come here and write 5.2069. Remember, you are shorting. This is where you short. You get? But I'm just setting up the trade now. So that's where you short. Now the stop loss is, okay, the stop loss is this. Ratio 1:3. So let's have 4 points. Our stop loss here should be 4.7 to be on the safer side. 4.7 done. Now insert this here. So this being done, you can see the margin is well set. the margin you can see it's on isolated. It's an isolated margin. My leverage is 20x. I am shorting, and this is the entry price. This entry price. This entry price. This is my take profit, and this is my stop loss. You can see. Then that being done, you click on sell short, and the positions will open. Click on sell short, and the position will open. So once it hits your entry price, it starts you start rolling in profit. That's just simply what this is. Or let's say you are longing, this is where you click on. If you are longing, you are buying or longing, this is where you click on. If you are shorting, this is where you click on. So we are shorting. So this being done, you are good to go. Now the next thing is on. Okay, let's enter that. Let's enter that trade. Let's enter. Let's keep this at so it's from positions. When you enter the trade on positions, is where you'll be able to, you can adjust your leverage. You can also close the position. You can also close. You are going to see it there, so you close it, and that's just it. With this, I believe you have understood the futures trading and how to place a trade. See you on the next tutorial on how to pick signals for yourself. You might not have to be waiting for somebody to post signals for you. So see you on the next video. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel and the WhatsApp channel and the WhatsApp group. The link will be in the description box. Thank you for staying till the end of this video.